I am super excited about the car we have here for today's first look, a 1970 Plymouth Cuda Convertible. Now this has a rotisserie restoration done to it. This is a V-Code 446 pack V8 engine rated at 390 horsepower, backed by the 4-speed transmission with the pistol grip shifter and a Dana 60 Track Pak rear axle. Super rare car. They only made 29 446 pack Cuda convertibles in 1970. Of those, only 17 had the 4-speed manual transmission. This is a super well-optioned car also. So it has the white vinyl interior in it. It has the Rallye instrument cluster, the tachometer, the wood grain in the console and on the dash, AM radio with an 8-track player. The best part about these cars is the VIN number and the trim tags on these tell you everything you need to know. But this having the original broadcast sheet that ties the VIN number, the options on the fender tag together, this is the real deal, selling at no reserve at our 2026 Scottsdale auction, January 17th through the 25th at Westworld of Scottsdale. This is an opportunity. You want a super rare muscle car? This is it.